students. Today I will discuss you about a very important topic in English language, essay writing. Essay writing helps you to score good marks in your exam. To write a good essay on any subject, you are basically required to plan and structure the paragraph to make composition interesting and appealing. Essay is the most important part of the paper. The objective of this question is to test the ability of the examinee in writing well organized, clear and accurate English. Today I have chosen a topic of argumentative essay. An argumentative is defined to be a well-structured, well-reasoned and well-supported point of view on a topic about which there is a good reason for disagreement. Thus, an essential characteristic of an argument is sense of opposition. Hence, an argument has two sides, proposition and opposition, means for or against. So let us discuss about the key concepts of argumentative essay. Key concepts of an argumentative essay: to point out all the for or against. Decide whether you are going to write for or against the statement. Begin with a statement of your assertion on the issue, whether it is for or against the proposition. State its importance and relevance. In the body of the composition, justify your assertion by giving practical and historical evidence to substantiate your point. Now we will discuss about essay plan or how to write an argumentative essay. First we will write an introductory paragraph that introduces your argument and explain why readers should be interested in your topic. Next, begin with a statement of your assertion on the issue, whether it is for or against. State its importance and relevance. In the body of the composition, justify why you are in the proposition of the topic or opposition of the topic by giving practical and historical evidence. Begin each point with justification in a separate paragraph, logically. So I will discuss about an example of an argumentative essay. The topic: exams encourage students to learn. First we will introduce the topic that why exams are important for the students. I am writing for the topic. So first of all I will write why my view is for the topic. First of all, examination brings student a sense of satisfaction. So the sense of satisfaction act as an approval. If they get good result, it will motivate them to work harder next time in order to get this sense of satisfaction again. When the student get bad result, the sense of satisfaction attracts them to work harder. In process of studying, they may gain knowledge and experience. In second paragraph, I will write that examination asks student to study automatically. Exam is just like an alarm clock for both lazy and also hard-working student. Usually lazy students will not study as a habit. While exam is approaching, lazy students will study for the exam or they will get bad result and be punished and scolded by their parent. Not only lazy student, hardworking student need some reminders too. Although hardworking students will do their daily revision, exam reminds them to do work much harder than usual. Then I will write, exam gives a chance to students to know their own weakness. From an exam, they can know what their weaknesses are and get improvement on it. Also, it gives opportunity to students to learn from mistakes. Conclusion. Conclusion means to sum up your essay. To sum up, I will say exam makes students study automatically and gives them a chance to know their weakness. It also gives them a sense of satisfaction and positive pressure. Both encourage students to study and they can learn more during the process. In this case, pressure is positive. Pressure acts as a boost to their energy. So students, today we have discussed about essay writing, how to write an argumentative essay. Hope this will help you. That's all for today.